Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the Fluke Data Logger and confirming batteries and SD card. This prevents mid-run failures. Next, choose the specific measurement channel, temperature, DC voltage, or humidity, so your logger config matches the sensors. Set the sampling rate now. Faster rates capture transients, slower rates save memory. Once done, synchronize the clock with your reference. Accurate timestamps matter for analysis. You're now ready to attach probes and proceed to live configuration. You attach probes to the correct input ports, ensuring secure screw terminals or connectors. Loose connections distort readings. Then configure input ranges and channel scaling so the logger interprets raw signals correctly. Enable alarms and thresholds to flag out-of-range events and add descriptive labels for each channel to simplify post-run review. Once configured, start logging and confirm live readings on the display. This verifies sensor integrity. If values look plausible, let the logger run for the required duration. You stop the run, then retrieve the SD card or connect the logger via USB to your workstation. This preserves raw files. Import the files into Fluke software to view graphs, export CSV, and verify timestamps and units. Correct scaling prevents misinterpretation. If the file is missing or corrupted, first check battery and SD card integrity, then confirm firmware compatibility and sampling rate. Incorrect rates can overflow memory. A quick fix is rerun, a short test to validate settings before the full measurement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.